Hi boys and girls, welcome to the word study lesson. We are working with syllable types and we have been working with adding ed and ing to the ends of our words. Remember that ed and ing are suffixes and we always add them at the end of the word. Ed is a suffix that we add at the end of the past tense, and ing is the suffix that we add when we want to put the verb in the present tense. So today we are going to talk about 4 different words. The first word is govern. What word? Govern. A govern is a verb that means to rule. So you can say that a principal governs a school or a president governs a country. So govern. Let's see how many syllables do we have in the word govern. Govern. Very good. So we have 2 syllables. We will split this word into 2 syllables. Govern. And then we're going to mark the vowels. The first vowel is O. The second vowel is E, right? Because we know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Govern. So gov is a closed syllable. We can just put C for closed. And earn, what type of syllable will that be? I see that R in there, and I told you that if we have ER, OR, UR, that is the R controlled. So we can just put R controlled right in here. Now, if I add a suffix ment to the word govern, there is a suffix. So this is a third suffix that we will talk about. We know ed and we know ing. Ment is a suffix too that we add at the end of the word. And if I add the suffix ment to the word govern, it's going to change my word into government. And it's going to change the word from a verb into a noun. The government is a group of people who rule. Since ment begins with the consonant, we can just add it to the base word. So govern and government. Okay? The next word that we have is agree. What word? Agree. Very good. Agree is a verb that means to get along or to believe the same thing. So we might agree to meet after school. If I think that you are right, I will agree with you. So agree. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word agree. Agree. Very good. So there are 2 syllables. The first one is irregular, and then agree, right? I have 2 vowels right in here, so this will be vowel teams. Now, if you add a suffix dis to the word agree, you're going to get a word disagree. And disagree is a verb that is opposite from the agree. So the suffix dis will mean opposite. It means that you do not believe into the same thing. So disagreement is a noun. You could say that you had a disagreement with your friend about a game you wanted to play at recess. Disagree. So the word agree, once again, the first syllable is irregular. The second one is vowel teams. And disagree. Let's see how many syllables we have in the word disagree. Disagree. So there are 3 syllables. This will be a closed syllable because there is an A in between 2 consonants. Is irregular, and agree, like we said before, is vowel teams. Thank you for watching.